The procedure I had done here was a full arch on my uppers that's supported by dental implants. Growing up, I grew up poor. I didn't have good dental or anything else, so my teeth were not well taken care of. What ended up happening over the years, they just got worse and worse. And I had breaking teeth I had removed because I couldn't afford anything way back when, and so I got a massive mess in my mouth. I was at the point that all my teeth up on my uppers, I was missing teeth. I had teeth, all kinds of problems, decay. My front teeth had rotted, and I started being socially, when I talked, I was conscious that people would now see this big ugly hole in the front of my tooth, and I couldn't do anything for it. So that's when the decision was made and discussed to do the full arch. Dr. Gedeon is great. He walks you through the procedure, just the way it's going to be, and he talks you through it, he tells you, and he's very gentle. He explained the procedure, and he had a model of what the new teeth would be and how they'd screw into permanence and how much I would enjoy them, that it would be a remarkable change in my life, what I can eat. For anybody that is having any kind of oral surgery and implants, because of his professionalism, the way he does it, and how he is, caring, gentle, and really gets you through it. It's just a wonderful place to come.